Welcome to another video of CAMFive EMB. This time we'll show you how to embroider a lion. Join us! This is a project that, at least, needs about 5 colors. So don't forget to set them before your embroidery. Put the fabric on the frame and stretch it, leaving no wrinkles on it and allowing a better embroidery. Get the frame to your machine and place it on the clamps. Put the pellon below the frame and set your design and begin production. Always check on your work. A broken needle or broken thread might happen anytime. Once all is over, release the clamp and take it to a comfortable place. Cut the extra pellon and fill the cushion cover and enjoy a well done job. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content of the CAMFive EMB machines.